Okay, good morning students. Now we are going to start the 11th question. See what the question is. Okay, which term of the AP, now this is the AP, we need to find which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. Now we know which term is this. It means we need to find the value of n. Now which term means its value will be Tn will be 132 more than its 54th term. Now here we have 54th term, yani it means T54. Now this term is more than this term. Okay, so we will write it like this, plus how much more? 132. Then we will make it equal. In simple language we can read it like this, that this nth term is 132. This plus means more than 132 more than its 54th term. We can simply read it like this. Okay, now Tn, first of all, from this data we can say that first term is 3 and the common difference is T2 minus T1, means 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3 is 12. Okay, now Tn is, we have formula for Tn, a plus n minus 1 into d. T54, a plus, now 54, that is the n now, so 54 minus 1 into, let's say d, then we will put 12 here, plus 132. Now we can simply cut this a and a because they are same. Now we need to find this n, so it will be as it is. Value of d is 12 here. Now 54 minus 1 is 53 into d is 12 plus 132. Now to make it simple, see here we have 12 in multiple of 53, in multiply of 53. Here we have 132. Okay, now we know that 11 into 12 is 132. 11 into 12 is 132. So we can write it like this: 53 into 12 plus, here we can write 11 into 12. So what will be the profit here? See, we can take this 12 common. So here it is 53 plus, here it is 11. We can cut this 12. It becomes easy for us to cut it. Now 53 plus 11, 3 plus 1 is 4, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now if I take this minus 1 into right side, it will become 64 plus 1. Okay, so n equal to 64 plus 1 means 65. That we need to find. We need to find the value of n. So we can say here, see what the question is, which term of AP is 132 more than its 54th term. So we can say 65th term. So answer is 65th term of AP will be 132 more than its 54th term. So that is how we can have an exact answer, 65. Okay, I hope you can understand it. So please practice it well, and we will meet in next video with some more questions, with some more mathematical problems of chapter number 5, exercise 5.2. Till then, practice well and write on comment section if you find any difficulty to understand this video. I will try my maximum to solve all of your queries. Thank you, and do subscribe my channel.